AAMC stock, Altisource Asset Management, currently up 29.01% in this session of the 31st of August 2021, trading at $22.90, a gain of $5.15. You can see what's going on with the stock. It is just getting some resistance from the 20-day moving average, trading below those averages, or right on the 20-day moving average, but below the 10-day moving average based on the 1-minute model of the stock. So right now MACD is below the signal line. Momentum is trying to improve at 45.11. The RSI is also trying to improve at 55.70. This is what's going on the daily model. Let's have a look quickly at the daily model. The daily model is showing here that the stock has since exceeded its volume weighted average price. It appears to be showing strength within a longer term bearish trend. This is the longer term bearish trend. It's the longer term trend, the 200-day moving average. It's bearish, so it's currently showing strength. I would say it's rallying within that strength. So as at the 20th of August, it reversed this downward decline that started sometime in late June and never really, at just some points in August, we saw it try to challenge that 10-day moving average. It did it twice, but it wasn't enough. Retraced and reached its bottom, this near-term bottom on the 19th, and then on the 20th it began to extend and has never looked back since that time. So the signals are very much bullish. The signals are positive. So I can imagine, amongst other things, this is what will be attracting market participants. The signals are improving. It recently banished the bearish tendencies it has been having for some time, for some weeks. So given all of those things, I can imagine, amongst other things, why it is currently extending. There isn't really any news out there at the moment concerning AAMC stock. So based on the 1-minute model, it has now retraced below the 50-day moving average. That 50-day moving average is trading at $21.80, so, and it is trading at $21.59 right now. So the gain has so far is now at 21.64%, which is a $3.75 gain right now. So momentum has collapsed completely. It is practically sold out now, but it's trying to improve, flickering from 0 to 20 or 25. MACD clearly below the signal line because of the retracement we are looking at right now. It's getting support from the volume weighted average price line, which is at 21.05 for the moment. So let's see how things are going to pan out. AAMC stock, Altisource Asset Management. We can't find any news behind this extension. It is rallying. It has had. I'm not exactly sure if this extension it had was from the post market, was from the pre-market. Let's see whether it was from the pre-market. Okay, I don't think so. It didn't gap in the pre-market, so much of what we're seeing right now began in this session of the 31st of August. Let's yes, much of what we're looking at right now, it began today, the 31st, not yesterday, not in the pre-market. So that's good. But at the same time now, we are seeing some pullback, some correction. Has lost about 8%, about 7% as we are that's right in front of us. It has lost about 7%. Getting support from the volume weighted average price right now. So let's look at the 5-minute model and see what's going on there. Yes, the same thing as well on the 5-minute model. It's getting support from the volume weighted average price. It has retraced now below the 20-day moving average. This is the 5-minute model. Let's look at the 10-minute model and see what's going on there. On the 10-minute model is only trading below the, or just slightly above the 10-day moving average. So let's return to the daily model and see what is involved here. Volume is so far 183,739. Let's see whether we can get the sort of figures we are looking at here as it concerns the volume is 22,523 for the last 10 days, 15,281 for the 90 days. So I think there's a good chance this is above average. Yes, above average volume. So yes, it's good. It's good. The technicals are, it's strong technicals, showing strong technicals. Mixed high volume as well. I've missed above average volume. That's quite good. By some measures, certain market participants will deem the stock in a healthy state, in a healthy position. Things are improving with signals are improving with improving volumes, meaning that market participants are getting serious. But we're now seeing some retracements right in front of us, pulled back all the way down to the 20-day moving average. This is based on the 1-minute model. Okay, so right now it's trying to pull up again. Let's quickly see if we can, if the stock is has options. I don't think it has options. Let's see, we may be wrong. Usually we would immediately see if it has options here. No options. There are no options available for AAMC stock. So let's return to the 1-minute model. Options, it doesn't give much options. If it doesn't have options amongst other things, it means options. Much more opportunity for you to another alternative for you to get involved with the stock. But right now it doesn't have it. So right now it has pulled up again above the 50-day moving average based on the 1-minute model. Yeah, 1-minute model, yes, but still trading below all of the short and intermediate moving averages. So it's getting support now. The RSI is slightly getting bearish at 30.98. MACD clearly below the signal line, visibly and clearly below the signal line. RSI improving or trying to improve. So momentum, the 14-period slow stochastic oscillator at 11.78. Stock is totally oversold at the moment. So things have suddenly gone quiet for Altisource asset management. Let's see whether we can get any move while we are here. Currently at 20.45. The gain is now 15.21%, which is $2.7 gain. Let's see whether we're going to get any action before we sign out. AAMC stock in focus right now in this video. Things have suddenly gone quiet for the stock at the moment. Let's see whether we're going to get any action. 500, we're getting some action. Yes, volume is improved. Yes, it's looking up. Volume is slightly increasing. Will it move up? Currently at $20.58, 15.95% increase. Yes, moving up slightly. 16.62% increase. Let's see if it's going to challenge that volume weighted average price, which is this curve here. Let's see if it's going to challenge it. It's currently at $21.03. Let's see if we're going to get any challenge to that level, the $21 level. Let's see if it's going to challenge it. It's currently at 20.70 now. Okay, just be careful, know what you're doing with the stock. The stock has been extending since the 20th of August. It's been extending since the 20th of August. It has before that time it was retracing. It started to retrace from sometime in July, late July. I said June earlier on. It started to retrace from late July, and it did that for quite a long time. So right now it has it's reversing that down. It has reversed that downward trend, but there's no guarantee that it will continue to move up. It has run up so many days of extension, so many days, and this is on above average volume. There's a good chance market participants may even want to take short-term profits at the moment. So just be careful, know what you're doing. If you're not already involved, just observe and watch. If you want to get involved, just know how you're going to play this stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.